When you walk into our Boys and Girls Club, we have the gym and the games room and the art room and the homework room like everyone else. But the Makerspace can really be anything you want it to be. And I think that's good for the kids because they just have a place to just go be creative and do what they want.
We have a lot of kids that learn differently. We have 115 kids with 115 different personalities and 115 different ways that they learn.
When we do programs, it's kind of like, this is what you do, this is what we do, we're done now. So in there, I see them like, let me hot glue this on here and this, and look at this toy I created. And it, it might just look like a blob to someone else, but it has a whole storyline that out here in our games room where they're playing carpet ball, they don't have this storyline of creativity. We work on like career readiness and things like that. And we're also doing that in there. It's not just building things, but you're learning how to put a screw into something so that maybe one day you can do that. So I think it's got just so many benefits all wrapped up into one little room.
It's very hard for the kids sometimes to come in and apply themselves academically because they're struggling in some way, shape, or form. Or it's hard for them to kind of find where they fit, even here, despite whatever we try to do to make them feel like this is a safe space and they fit in. So I feel like putting this space in the building allows our kids to just come in and everyone's at the same level. The sky is literally the limit. I'm just excited. Hard to put into words exactly how we feel, but I'm excited.